If you're not eating your skincare, what are you doing? Did you know it's not just about kombucha and kefir? You can also brew a sunny, refreshing drink called TEPACHE. So TEPACHE is a delicious pineapple drink that's perfect for switching up your fermented foods. Remember, diversity is key for getting different beneficial bacteria. Here's how to make it. First, take a ripe pineapple and give it a good wash. In a large container, add 1 cup of brown sugar and 4 cups of water, and then let this dissolve. I love to use a couple of cardamom seeds. Some people use cinnamon and other things, but I just love just pineapple and cardamom seeds. Now take your pineapple and cut large chunks, leave the skin on, and put that into the container. Cover it with a muslin cloth and tie a little string around it. This is just to keep creepy crawlies out. Now leave it on the counter for 2 to 3 days. If you see any foaming on the top, just scoop it out. And this drink will be cloudy. It's ready. Strain out the solids and serve with loads of ice. That is so nice. Enjoy your refreshing sunny TEPACHE. Not only is it delicious, but it's also a great way to add a variety of fermented foods and boost your gut health with different bacteria. Have a lovely week, and I will actually see you tomorrow with another video. So see you then. Bye.